Hi guys, on Instagram I asked if anyone had tried these Teleties on fine hair, and so I have my hair up using one of these, and they're not supposed to leave creases or anything like that in your hair, so it's not supposed to damage your hair. And my question was on Instagram is have you tried these on fine hair and how do they work? So I bought a 3-pack for $7.99, and I have one in my hair right now, and I also have this 3-pack, and I got it in a beauty box. I'm not sure if it came in a Walmart beauty box or a Target, but these do not work well in my hair. They're about the same size, but they're just, somehow they work differently. This one is a little bit closer together, and these are both the small size. So anyways, I'm going to show you how I did my messy bun. Okay, so this set was a no from Walmart or Target, but this set is a yes, and the Teleties come in different colors too. So I'm going to take my hair down real quick, and I am going to show you how I did it. I have some bobby pins holding up the back because it's a little, the underneath is a little shorter. Okay, so let me just take this down for you. It's wrapped twice around my hair. Okay, so my hair, I did wash it this morning, and I ran the curling iron through a little bit of it, and before I dried it I put a little mousse on, and then after I curled it I hairsprayed it. So it does have a little bit of product in it. Okay, so what you're going to do is just take your hair, and I'm just going to use my fingers to pull it up like in a ponytail. And so pull it up higher on your head, and then you're going to take your hand and you're going to start twirling your ponytail. Just give it a few twirls around. Okay, kind of like that. And then you're going to take and you're going to wrap it around like that. Then you're going to take your Teletie and you're going to wrap it twice around your messy bun. Okay, then you're going to take and pull out what pieces you want. And then you're going to grab this and just loosen it and make it whatever size messy bun you want. You just have to play around with it a little bit to shape it. Okay. So I'm not used to using my phone to do these videos. So anyways, I was just going to show you that. So I have fine hair, and it also has color on it, and my Chihuahua wants to say hi. She's a sweetie. And my hair's thin and not too thick anymore, so the Teleties are a win for me. So if you're thinking about buying them, they're $7.99 for a pack of 3. They come in different colors, and definitely something that, you know, is quick and easy to do, especially if you're going to the beach. So, and they also look cute on your wrist too. And if you want to just wear a ponytail, they're not supposed to damage or make that crease in your hair. So they're a win for me. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.